day in Papua New Guinea and good day out there in the world. My name is Mr. Chris Aua and I am a brain concussion patient of the Port Moresby emergency ward. I have a brain that's purposely chosen for scientific purpose. That's the meaning of Institute number 1800-1 at this time of the medical psychosis world, where the world has been swamped with coronavirus. Now, when I look at it closely, when it comes to genetic information of the brain and part of the study by the Americans to build up a medicine that can cut down coronavirus, well, I was thinking along the lines of genetic information, because the optic tract, when we talk about coronavirus, a deadly disease, definitely does shut off the optic tract of the mind. And so the optic tract is the eye, let's say, is the command control center in the goggle. It takes puts an overall eye on all the parts of the brain that takes care of the brain DNA. Now the optic tract of the brain contains the DNA. DNA knows exactly how to survive on the land. The coronavirus, as a scientist, naturally from a concussion brain, and looking at developing psychology today, we have a syndrome associated in destroying human optic tracts of the brain at the let's say broad scale catastrophe from broad scale misconceptions. Be very careful. We're dealing in developing psychology. This is what I was grade average point in this country at the University of PNG. Now, when I'm a medical psychosis confirmed at the Port Moresby General Hospital as an emergency patient, I can't be running out all over the world out here in the open like this. I should have been given fundamental aspects of life, including water wash. Look, I don't wash. I wash in the drain. I get drain water. I drink drain dirty water. I don't bath. How come I don't get cholera? What's the problem here? We have misconceptions. We've got health, we've got best health practices in the world, as well as we've got people who have engineered scientific purposes to destroy or harm human race. Now, my concern in medical psychosis engineering, in conjunction with the University Hospital experts at this point of hour and time, while the world is gripped by this pestilence. Look, I would rather be not seduced in my mind, otherwise the optic tract would be shut and the sensor and the motor of the brain would not be working, and my DNA as a human personal would not be living. Perhaps we have an implant because of doctors, scientists have never held substantial research to sustain for their purposes in preserving medical humanity on the face of the earth. Thank you so much, and never underestimate my potential as brain patient number 3507 of the Port Moresby General Hospital after brain symposium in this country, and in conjunction with the University Hospital in higher research purposes when it comes to microbioengineering processes of the human DNA survival on the face of the earth.
The independence